Hey guys, this is Rosa Kelly. Today I'm here to give you a walkthrough of the newest mini album that I created for my mini album subscription club. So these are the mini albums for the month of March, and yeah, let's take a look. So hi guys, so welcome back to the channel. I am excited to share with you the newest mini album that I created. So as you guys probably know, I do have a mini album subscription club where each month I ship to you a blank book ready for you to decorate. I'm gonna have the link down below if you like to join. These are the books that I created for the month of March, and I am also working on a tutorial for this book. So if you requested one, I'm working on it. I just have to finish and edit, and I will be posting that video probably sometime soon, maybe tomorrow, hopefully. But let's go ahead and take a look. So these books measure 8.5 by 7, and as you can see, we have 4 signature pages. It has a 3.5-inch spine, and these are using my easy hinge system. So super easy to make, especially if you're a beginner album maker. This will be a good tutorial for you to follow. Of course, don't forget to subscribe so you guys can get the notifications on when I post new tutorials and things like that. So as we open up this book, on the first page we have a gatefold page here. And then on the back we have a kind of like an envelope page. I like making these pages that you can magnetize, and then it looks like an envelope but it opens down like this, and of course place for pictures here. Then over here we have a opening side, so this opens up like that, and then we open this up and we have a 3D page here, so dimensional floating page, and then this opens up like that, so you can have a couple pictures there. And then on the back we have an accordion fold page like this, and over here this opens down, so place for pictures, and then it opens back up, and again place for pictures, and then it opens down here. And on the back here we have a double opening page. And then for this next page here, this looks like a series of pockets, but it is actually an accordion fold layout. So it opens up and it opens up here, and then it opens up there, so a lot of room for pictures on the. And so on this next page, this opens up like that, and we have a double pop-up page here, so you can add pictures on each side, and of course pictures on the back and on this side as well. And I really had fun making these books. I hope that you guys enjoy the walkthrough, and again I will be back real soon with a full tutorial for these books here. And if you would like to join in the subscription club, I'm gonna have the link below, and I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.